So I've been playing with GoPro Hero 11 Black for a while now, and today I wanted to talk about one of its cool new features called HyperView. HyperView is a new digital lens that's available only in Hero 11 Black and Hero 11 Mini. So in this video, guys, I'm going to explain you what exactly is GoPro HyperView and how you can use it to get the most out of it. HyperSmooth uses the full 8x7 sensor to get that really tall perspective, and then it simply stretches it to the side to fit a 16:9 aspect ratio, giving you immersive ultra-wide-angle view that's great for POV shots. Alright, so with GoPro Hero 11 Black you can choose between three wide perspectives, such as wide, Superview and HyperView. But which one you should actually use? Please watch carefully what's the difference between them and how wide you can actually go. Alright guys, so as you just seen, HyperView is really awesome when it comes to recording first-person view perspective. It's just so immersive because the viewer can literally see as if from your eyes. When recording with GoPro HyperView, I highly recommend to mount your camera on your body or attach it to your gear to simply get the best results out of it. I also love using extension arms to mount your camera slightly further away from you to get a really unique perspective. But notice that HyperView is not an ideal setting when it comes to recording anything else because of that extreme distortion on the edges. So it's not gonna be good if you want to record follow-up shots, etc. If you want to get the most out of it, I really recommend to keep your subject of interest exactly in the middle of your frame and use it for POV. But which field of view do you like the most? Is it wide, linear, Superview, or maybe HyperView? Let me know about it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye!